Guys, so today we are going to talk about Tuya Zigbee Smart Light Switch. So we will explain how it's work and the advantage of these devices, these small devices. Okay, so for example, if you are trying to manage all your electricity at home, for example, switching the lamps or switching the lights of the home, of the garden, of anything at your home. You can manage everything just with those smart devices. Okay, so let's explain. For example, this is a small design of smart scheme of rewiring things that you need to do. For example, this is how you should wire your device with your lamp and your switches. Okay, it's work with one or two switch, no problem of this. Okay, for this. So today you will be able to manage all your lamps at home just from your mobile, okay, using the application of Julia, okay. It's like this is the same thing than the other application called Smart Home that it's work with Google devices and with Alexa. So now we are going to set the devices that we will need for managing, for example, 10 lamps at home, okay, at same home and garden. For example, there is 4 lamps at garden and 6 lamps at home, okay. So we will need 6 devices of those, okay. Then we will need another thing. We call it the Tuya Gateway Milk mode. Okay, so what is the benefits and the advantage of using this device? This device is the main thing, okay, that can control those devices. Okay, for example, those devices. If you need 10 devices from those, you can manage them by this device. They were connected, okay, by Wi-Fi to this device, and this device is connected with your home Wi-Fi. Then you can manage all with your Tuya application, also with your Google Home or Smart Life applications. Okay, you can manage them one by one. You can program them. You can handle them. You can make them work automatically. For example, if you want them to, for example, you want the lights for the bedroom to start at 8 p.m., for example, and shut at 11 p.m. Okay, you can do a lot of things, a lot of automation, okay, just from your mobile, and you can make the home looks smart and intelligent to handle. Okay, so this is how you should proceed. For example, if you want to maintain those devices at your home, just buy one of those. They are very cheap on AliExpress.com. You can handle them and you can find them in many websites, but this is the sources, okay, from AliExpress, from China, and they will work perfectly. I tried them in my home, in my personal home, and they work just very fine. I can manage my home lights from distance and from many places without wasting time or making or get worried about my home. Okay, this device will help you to manage a lot of things at home. I will explain later in more videos how you can manage your air conditioner, your Alexa, and a lot of things with your TV also. So without doing a lot of works, just make this little device handle all of those things Okay, so for example, if you want to manage a lamp, you need to install one of those devices with the interrupter, okay, the switch, and let this device get connected to this one to the gateway so you can handle it by the application. Okay, for example, if you need to manage 10 lights or 10 lamps, okay, at your home, you will need 10 of those devices. The price is depends. There is a cheaper prices. You can find them more cheaper than this price, okay, about $5 to $4, okay. So for now, this is the things. If you need, for example, how to link them automatically using the application, I will post a video explaining this. It's really easy to handle. Okay, so stay tuned for more videos about those texts. And if there is anything that I can help, just comment and I will be glad to play.